you otherwise. Yeah.
Epidemic.
For real. This for any woman out there. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. That don't believe in themselves. Hold on. Yeah. Here's encouragement. Lord, baby, we can make it if we try. Hey, I heard the last one did you wrong and told you lies. I'm not surprised, I know you tired, but here you go, a song for you. When you doing your hair, girl, you have no clue what you do to this man, young dude. But when I look at you and smile, hate when I can't touch your curls and haven't seen you in a while, but here I dial. A number two, a woman that's always down to always pick up. She'll always be around when the nigga needs some pickup. Not sexual, but when we're sexual, it's always great. See me, you always coming early and I'm always leaving late. Never argue over social, keep it real straight face to face. You say you forever down, but woman I can't replace, cause we gone. Your heart got colder, you say, from all the games and all the stories that these dudes try to play. So now you scared to let your head down, contemplating on a new style. Say you don't need love, cause haven't felt it in a while. But woman, I promise you straight, just how you are. And I'm a man, so understand that all men created with flaws. And yeah, I rap and that's a fact. Some girls gon' drop jaws or drop draws, but I'm never tempted. Yeah, we all just got a past, but our future's distant. I'm on a different mission, rub your back to that ass, cause I know it's the touch you missing. Man, your body gifted, have you overloaded with compliments, just to build your confidence. These times are endless, I'm loving you to the finish. There's no lines or limits, you on your grind and I'm with it. You talking time and I give it. I'm not saying we will be perfect, we'll never tell you that lie, but I promise we can make it. I swear I'm down adjacent if we try. I told you. I'ma give you something that's light when it's darkness. All things aside. Yeah.